Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon donuts, the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For that bright lemon flavor, have 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice ready. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Finally, grab your donut pan and some non-stick spray. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix up the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and baking powder until well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk the egg, milk, melted butter, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Gently fold everything together with a spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this will result in tough donuts. A few lumps are perfectly fine. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Lightly grease your donut pan with non-stick spray. Carefully spoon the batter into each donut cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While they bake, prepare your glaze by whisking 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice until smooth. Once your donuts have cooled for a few minutes, it's time for the final touch. Carefully dip each donut into the tangy lemon glaze, allowing any excess to drip back into the bowl. For an extra burst of citrus and beautiful presentation, you can sprinkle a little more fresh lemon zest on top. These delightful lemon donuts are best served warm, but they are equally delicious at room temperature. Enjoy your perfectly baked, sweet, and tangy homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.